Hello. Today, inshallah, we are going to deal with lesson 7. It is I pronounce. Let's start. Well, listen and identify the sounds. You are going to listen twice to the words which are in this list, and you try to identify the sound of S and G. Alright? We start.
Listen and identify the sounds.
List 1. Leisure. Television. Equation. Usually. Massage. Beige. List 2. General. Algeria. Endangered. Journalist. Jar. Education. List 3. Organic. Got. God. Big. Global. Degradation.
Well, let's identify. We read the words and you tell me what's the sound. List 1. Leisure. Television. Equation. Usually. Massage. Beige. What's the sound here? Good. It's a je. Sound here is a je. List 2. General. Algeria. Endangered. Journalist. Ja. Education. What is the sound? Good. It is a je. The sound is a je. 3. Organic. Got. God. Big. Global. Degradation. Of course, the sound is a g. Alright? Now, what did you deduce? Deduce that the sound S and in T in equation, or in the word G in the word massage, and beige, the sound is je. And G, of course, it's pronounced je. And also for the letter J. And G sometimes is pronounced g. Well, let's deduce the rule. The rule 1. S in SU and jeune can be pronounced je as in conclusion or in pleasure. G can be spelled je as in genre, massage and beige. Generally, these words are originally French words, or the origin of this word is French. So, T in the word equation is pronounced je. Now, second one, G and J are usually, generally spelled je, as in journalist and language. D in the word education and individual is pronounced je. What about third one? G is spelled or pronounced g when it is followed by A, O, U, L and A, as in great. Look, G, after that we have letter A, great, and the word good. The final G is generally or is usually pronounced g as in bag and drag. Good. Now let's practice. Read the task. Instruction task 1. Listen and repeat each pair. Here we have pairs, 2 words. The first column, the sound is je, and the second is je. You listen and you try to repeat.
Sequence 4. Script 4.7. Listen and repeat each pair.
leisure, ledger, pleasure, pleasure, lesion, legion, massage, message, beige, badge.
Alright, now let's read them together. Number one is leisure, ledger, pleasure, pleasure, lesion, legion, massage, message, beige, badge. Very good. We move to the next part. Alright, this is the second task. Task 2. Classify the following word, these words, in the right box according to the pronunciation of the bold letters G, S, T, etc., which are the letters are written in red. Here we have 3 columns. In the column 1, the sound is J. Column 2 is J, and the last one is G. You have few minutes to think, and of course you read the word and you classify them in the correct column or in the right box. You start. Alright, let's correct. The first one, what is it? It's a good. It is cage. The sound is J. The second, read it, erosion. So here, what's the sound? It's a J. Third one, how do you read it? Very good. It's an equation. So here the sound is a J. The next, jewels. It's a J. Jewels. Now look here. G-R. How do you spell it? Do you spell it G? No. We spell it good. We spell it G. It's a. So we spell it. The word we read it as a greenhouse. The next word is a beige. Now, here we have the word, the letter G is at the end, so we pronounce it as a G. It is a bag. The next, dangerous. Good. And here the last word we have G and it's followed by A, so we pronounce it, of course, it's a G. Elegant. Now, good. You read the words. First, list. Cage, jewels, dangerous. The next, je. 1. Erosion. 2. Equation. 3. Beige. The last list, greenhouse, bag, elegant. Good one. Now we move to the next part. Look here. Here are some words. You are going to listen and you remark and you notice. Listen twice and after that you answer the question.
Knee. 2. Rhinoceros. Wrap. Right. Bouquet.
Good one. What have you noticed? What have you remarked? Very good. You remark that the letters K, W, K in the word Knee, W in the word to, of course, H in the word rhinoceros, W in the word rub, and GH in the right, and the last one, T in the word bouquet, are not pronounced. They are silent letters. They are silent letters. Good one. So, let's review. We have seen that in the previous lesson you have learned silent letters. So, according to what we have seen in the previous lesson, what is a silent letter? It is a silent letter is letter حرف that is written but not pronounced. تكتب ولا تنطق. As in, look, the one right here, W is silent. We say right. We say right. Number two, word, do you say castle? No, we say castle. T is silent. It is, we say castle. Number three, of course, the word Y. H is silent. We say Y. Goodbye. Now, we are going to deal with this task. What are you going to do? You copy down these words and you circle the silent letter or letters. Sometimes you find one or two letters which are not pronounced. Read, you copy down, read carefully and try to deduce what are the silent letters. You do your task. Alright? Now, read the first word. How do you pronounce it? We say honesty. So, the silent letter is H. Very good. Let's deal with the second one. We have K and N. It's followed by N. So, here, K is silent. We say knowledge. And look here, S-T-L-E. Here, what is the silent letter when as we have seen in the previous lessons? Yes, the silent letter is T. So we pronounce or we say the word whistle. And the next one is the GH. We say drought. Drought. The last one is, how do you read it? Interview. Interview. Here, what are the letters which are not pronounced? Good. You have R and W. Very good. Now, you read the words correctly. Let's start. Honesty. Honesty. Knowledge. Knowledge. Whistle. Whistle. Good. Drought. Drought. Last word is interview. Interview. Well, that's all right. Thank you very much for your attention.
شكرا على المشاهدة. لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة، الضغط على الجرس، الإعجاب بالفيديو.